Hello kid, today we are going to draw and color air balloons. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Let's go flying with the balloon, kids. There we go, our balloons. Let's start color it. You can use any color, kid. For example, red, orange or yellow to make the balloons colorful and pretty. There we go, we have one balloon. Let's start with another. Use another color. Very easy, right? And very nice. There we go, we have two balloons. Let's start with another balloon. It's a beautiful stripe, right? Now let's do the background. We use some color for the background. Very nice, right? You can use any color, kid. Any color you like. There we go. What a British scene. Now we are about to finish it. There we go. You see the balloon move, float and fly. Very nice, right? You can go anywhere with the balloon. Have a nice trip, kids. Do you know this balloon is a large balloon that can carry people, not a small one, kid. Okay, that's all for today. See you on the next video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this channel. Bye bye, kids.